Do you know the symbol of a yellow ribbon on a dog's leash? Hi, I'm Elke from Goherbie. This weekend I was at a vegan fair with my cookbooks, and yeah, I went around and I watched the other exhibitors, and there was one that was promoting the yellow ribbon for the dog leashes, because they want to empty the shelters, and not by placing the dogs in new families, but by preventing the dogs will end up in the shelters. One of their projects was that they want to make this better known, and I want to help them and contribute by making this video and blog about it, because I have a dog who needs this. I get one ribbon and I wrapped it around his leash, and now I can walk with this sign. But yeah, this sign only helps when more and more people knows what it means. This means that a dog wants space. The dog wants distance around him when he's walking around. Now, and when wants a dog some space? It can be a dog who is aggressive, but mostly it's not. Some dogs will bark very violently, but it is because they're very afraid. And by barking, he wants to create space between you and him and the other person or dog who's coming. Now, sometimes people don't respect that, and they come closer to you and let their dog sniffle with you, and yeah, it gets a lot of stress then, and yeah, we want to prevent it by the sign, so people know this dog wants another dog or human close to him while walking. It can be a dog who is afraid, a female dog in heat, or a dog in training and don't want to distract from anything because he's learning how to walk and how to look at the human. It can be a sick dog who is recovering, or a dog who scares a lot. It's a bit like my dog, because he is deaf, he scares a lot. It can be a dog who is blind, or an older dog. They need a bit more rest, don't need too much people and dogs and anything weird around him. So that are a lot of reasons why your dog or another dog needs some space. And with the sign you can tell other people, my dog needs space, don't come closer, don't pet him, don't hug him. I adopted my dog Snoopy when he's almost 5, now he's almost 12, and he don't like too much change. He likes every day the same. He is deaf, he scares a lot, so first I thought, oh, I want to hug him and pet him, I like it, but he don't. And in the beginning it was a bit difficult, but now I respect him. I give him also that space. I like from other small things, looking when he's sleeping, when he is laying between my legs, I feel him. So I enjoying the other things, the smaller things. And yeah, if I want to pet someone, there's always a cat in the neighborhood who likes to hug and pet. So I do it with them and not with Snoopy.
Do you want to help to spread the sign? You can share this video or you can share my blog about it. And I also want to know if you have a dog. Is it a dog who likes other dogs, or is it a dog who also can use such a sign, or yeah, maybe he or she wears it already? Let me know your story in the comments, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!